T5 Front-End Operation Guide. Powering on. At the top, there are one HDMI high-definition input port for USB ports and one network cable interface. At the bottom, there are one power switch and one power cable interface. Take out the probe and insert it into a USB port. Take out the power cable and insert it into the power interface. Turn on the power switch and wait for the device to boot up. Connecting to Wi-Fi. First, swipe down on the screen, press and hold the Wi-Fi icon to enter the Wi-Fi page. Select the Wi-Fi network with the strongest signal and click Connect. Time Zone Adjustment. Open the Settings interface. Select System Settings. Select Date and Time. Select Adjust Time Zone provided by network. And select Time Adjustment. Activating a new device. Click the Scalp Imager application. For formal use, please log into your email to activate the device. If you choose to use the trial version, remember to exit it promptly, as skin analysis records in trial mode are only saved for a few hours. Select trial mode to enter the home. Once on the home screen, the top displays a carousel of images banners, and below are case studies. Click New Profile in the top right corner to enter the profile creation page. On the left is the main navigation bar from top to bottom: Home, Member Center, Smart Skin Analysis, Data Center, and System Settings. Member Center. Click the second icon on the left to enter the Member Center page. Click New Profile in the top right corner to enter the profile creation page. Enter the customer's name, select gender, enter age, and input a valid phone number. Click Save. Newly created profiles will appear at the top of the Member Center page. The search bar at the top allows you to quickly find customers by searching their name or phone number. Click on the newly created customer profile. At the top right, you can edit the customer's personal information. Below are Smart Skin Analysis and Comparative Analysis. Further below are comprehensive test records and free mode records. Smart Analysis. Click Smart Detection. 5 modes are available: Quick Test, Individual Test, Comprehensive Test, Real-Time Preview, and Hydration Test. Select Comprehensive Test. Analyze the 5 areas designated by the system: forehead, crown, left side, right side, and occiput. First, confirm whether the probe is properly connected. After each area is analyzed, 3 images are generated: white light, negative polarized light, and UV light. After capture, if unsatisfied with the current image, click Retake. Click Next. Once completed, you cannot go back. After capturing all 5 areas, click Submit. Hydration Test. Confirm whether the hydration probe is properly connected. If not needed, click Skip to start hydration testing. This step requires capturing all 5 areas in sequence. Capture completed. Click Confirm. Global Comparison. You can scan the QR code to capture the condition of hair or scalp before treatment. If not needed, click Skip. Scalp Original Images. View scalp issues for 5 areas: forehead, crown, left side, right side, occiput. Below, you can view the 3 spectrum images for the 5 areas. Click the question mark in the top right corner of a spectrum image to view the explanation of spectral findings. Click the top area to view the health comparison function, which shows differences between the captured image and a normal scalp. Click the first print button on the top right to enter the printed page, where you can select paper size, ink color, paper orientation, duplex printing, and number of pages. Click the PDF download button on the right to download an electronic comprehensive report. Click the second icon to download the image and annotate a labeled image. The third icon returns to the user center. The fourth icon returns to the previous page. Individual reports. After uploading and analysis, 5 individual reports appeared: sebum, sensitivity, white hair, hair loss, and aging. Sebum analysis: surface sebum, follicle blockage, dandruff, hydration. The algorithm highlights areas of high sebum secretion on the scalp with yellow fluorescence. Excessive sebum makes the scalp appear oily and shiny, easily attracting dust and promoting bacterial and fungal growth, which may lead to seborrheic dermatitis, folliculitis, and even hair loss. Insufficient sebum makes the scalp dry, causing dandruff, and the hair becomes dry and brittle. On the right, you can view details for the 5 areas. Below is educational information, providing scientific knowledge related to the current page. Click the numeric value button at the bottom right corner of an image to open the data analysis dialog. Click the annotations button to show or hide annotations. Click report details to enter the report page. The first section is problem analysis. displaying different analyses based on severity grades. The next section is daily care recommendations. The next section is product solution recommendations, with different recommendations for different severity grades. Click the text next to the thumbnail to view product details. Click More to view product recommendations across 5 severity grades. Businesses can input or change recommended products and services via the backend URL. Scan the QR code at the very bottom with your mobile phone to view and print the mobile H5 report. Sensitivity analysis. Sensitivity, red area map, sensitivity heat map. White hair analysis. White hair, pigment heat map. Hair loss analysis. Hair density, hair thickness, follicle health. Aging analysis. Scalp textures. Comprehensive report. At the top are personal information, 32 type scalp classification, and overall score. Each scalp type is presented with a corresponding Chinese idiom. Below is the hair loss grading, followed by comprehensive suggestions, problem analysis, care recommendations, comparative analysis. The 5 analyses above: sensitivity, white hair, hair loss, aging, product, solution recommendations, and the mobile H5 report. Microscopic detection. Pick up the 200x probe. Select 1 to 5 areas: forehead, crown, left side, right side, occiput to analyze. 1 white light image is generated for each area. Note: avoid unnecessary shaking of the device during capture to prevent blurry images. Click Done to jump to the capture completion page. Below are the microscopic detection button and the microscopic comparison button. Click the microscopic detection button to perform another microscopic analysis. Click the comparison analysis button to view a localized before and after comparison of scalp care effects. Comparative analysis. Select images from 2 different time points to compare various scalp indicators, providing a more intuitive view of care results. In the top right corner, you can view data analysis and data comparison. Global comparison. Scan the QR code to capture the condition of hair or scalp before treatment. Data center. Click the 4th icon on the left to enter the data center page. Each module can be statistically viewed on a yearly or monthly basis. Data statistics, visually presented with a line chart. Gender ratio, visually presented with a pie chart. Skin concern proportion. Various indicators across 5 severity grades are visually presented with a curve chart. Age distribution. The number of people in each age group is visually presented with a bar chart. System settings. Click the system settings icon to enter the parameter adjustment and My Device page. Parameter adjustment. Individual parameter adjustment. If adjustments are made here, the next time a specific customer undergoes analysis, their overall analysis data will tend towards the direction set by the store for that parameter. Click on a customer's profile. Slide the cursor to adjust individual or multiple parameter values for that customer. I refers to automatic mode. Now refers to manual mode. To revert to the AI mode values, click Restore Default Settings at the very bottom. Overall parameter adjustment. If adjustments are made here, then for all customers in the store, during their next analysis, the overall analysis data will tend towards the direction set by the store for that parameter. Disable parameters. Clicking this option turns off the adjustment function for this specific parameter, and all analysis data will reflect the customer's actual data. My Device. Click My Device to view the app version, institution name, serial number, system version, new update information, language, watermark settings, network detection tools, and recently deleted items. To add a watermark to image captures and annotated or labeled images, click Watermark Settings to customize the watermark. You can select watermark type, watermark content, watermark position, and watermark transparency. Watermark type can be customized text or selected time and date. Watermark positions can be tiled, bottom center, or image center. Slide the cursor to select watermark transparency between 10% and 90%.